Good morning students of grade 3rd. Myself Bhagwati Prajapat and I am your maths teacher. We are doing Exceed Maths Student Workbook Volume 1. Today we are doing S1 of Block 8 on page number 37. Today's date is 8th of September 2020. S1 is symmetry in shapes. What is the meaning of symmetries? Symmetry means if in any shape or in any figure we can divide into equal halves, such both parts are looks like mirror image each other. That means if we draw a line in any object, in any figure, in any shape, that should be divided in equal part, that called symmetry. Like if we divide letter of J to in equal parts like this, if I fold this one like this, is this divided in two equal parts? No, it will not divide in two equal parts because one part will be equal of rectangle and this one is a like C. So this is not a symmetrical shape. Okay, again we are taking an example like C. This one is a C. Remove this one. Okay, this one is C. If I draw a line or a shape, so we got equal to shapes in this part, equal to shapes. If I draw a line here, we got two equal shapes in letter of C. Remove this one. Okay, if we draw a line, we got two equal parts from this shape or object. Okay, so this is a symmetrical shape. Again we are taking an example like we have a letter of Q. If I cut from this or draw a line, it will be equal or not? No, this will not equal because in this shape we have a C and in this we got a shape of C curve. Okay, but we have a line also, so this is not a symmetrical shape. The symmetrical shape will called if we draw a line that should be divided in two equal parts, that called symmetry, like we have a Christmas tree, if I fold this one like this, okay, then I draw a line in this. Okay, we got two equal parts, that means this is shape of symmetrical shape. Okay students, again we are taking an example. We have a star. Okay, if I draw a line from mid side of this, so we will got two equal parts, that means this is shape of symmetrical shape. Okay, so if I draw a line or cut a shape from mid, that should be divided in two equal parts, that called symmetrical shapes. Let's do RS1. Okay, write the figures that can be divided into two identical halves, that means two equal parts. Okay, let's see if I draw a line, we got two equal shapes or not? No, we don't got the equal shapes, so this one is not a symmetrical shape. Okay, octopus. octopus is a shape of two equal symmetrical? No. If I draw a line, we don't got two equal parts, so this is not a symmetrical shape. Okay. H, if I divide in two equal parts from this side, okay, we got two equal parts. We got two equal parts. Okay. If I draw a line from mid, again we will got two equal parts. That means this shape is a symmetrical shape. Okay. Identical havels. Okay. Next question number 2. Draw the line of symmetry for each figure. That means we have to divide two shapes in two equal parts. Okay. So we have to draw a line to make a symmetry. So we have a Christmas in this, and if I draw a line from mid, we got symmetry. We got two equal parts. In W, letter W, if I draw a line in mid, okay, again we will got two equal parts of W. So this one is symmetrical shape. Next we have a butterfly. Okay, so if we draw a line from mid, we got two equal shapes. We got two equal shapes. So this one is also symmetrical. If I divide in two parts, we got in this part one eye, two feather. So this one is symmetrical shape. Next question number 3. Draw a shape which is symmetrical, like B, like letter B. Okay, if I draw a line in mid of this side, so we got two equal parts. Let's see how we got two equal parts. Yes, we got two equal parts. So B is a letter of symmetrical, so we can draw B. So this was our S1 of block 8. Next S2 we will do in our next class. Till then students, bye bye.